Hello everyone, welcome to AJ's Paintings. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pour. It's going to be an ocean painting. I know usually I do the time lapse with music, but today I'm like, okay, let's do a little bit of talking. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put some white on one side of the canvas. So let's see. This painting is inspired by Rescadona. She does amazing ocean paintings. So I was like, let me try one too. She usually does them on longer canvases, but the only big long canvases I have right now are really big ones. So I was like, okay, maybe first do it on a smaller one and then we'll do it on big ones. Okay, let me spread this white. So all the paints I'm using right now, they're Artist Loft paints, and I mix them with some Floetrol and water. See a lot of bubbles in there. Okay, let me just do the sides very quickly. I'm gonna go over them again, but I just want to make sure they have some coverage before I start blowing paint. So if any glue goes on it, at least it has something under it to glide on. Okay, it's good. There's lots of bubbles in there because I was just shaking it, but I'll get them out. All right, let me pop these bubbles first. So I'm using a butane torch. Love this thing. Okay. I see there's some spots that could take a little bit more paint. Okay. All right, so let's start. This one is a paint that I mixed together with some blue and black. It's just for the darker parts of the ocean. I want lots of contrast in there. This one is metallic blue. No, actually it's not metallic blue. Hold on. Let me just make sure which one it is. This is just blue. Okay. Let's set this. Overlapping. I think I might have a lot of that black, but we'll see. Okay, there's this blue mixed with a little bit of white. Okay, you don't want too much to make it muddy. This is also custom mixed paint. So some turquoise, some blue, some white. Right. Okay, and I'm gonna put in some gold. Just love the shimmer. This is also Artist Loft. Okay, you don't want too much. That should be fine. All right. Okay, so quickly pop some bubbles. I don't want too many cells afterwards, so all right. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some white in here, and I'm gonna start blowing this direction first, and I'll blow the other direction after. All right. Okay, so I love how it looks in here. I'm going to blow a little bit on this one because I feel like it could be a little bit less dark. Yep. Oh, I love this. I like the dark contrast. Looks really nice. See lots of cells coming up. Just gonna go over some of these areas. I see, could use some white. This is amazing. Okay, I see some really big bubbles, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop those. Okay, I'm just gonna pick up some of the paint to go over the sides. I love the contrast. It's really cool. It's amazing how many cells pop up. Beautiful. Okay, let me bring you down to see a close-up. These lights, look at that gold, beautiful. And I like how this is really light on top. Lots and lots of cells, beautiful. Alright, so this is how it looks with studio lights off. It's amazing. I love the contrast with dark blue and light blue and turquoise and that gold. It's just beautiful. It really looks like an ocean wave. Okay, so after I turned the camera off, I blew a little bit more on top to so it will flow over, because I think it looks better that way. So this is the spot where I did it. Let me know what you think about it. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. It's free, but it helps me a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.